Hello guys, today we're on 2006 AIME I Problem 15. So given that a sequence satisfies x0 is 0 and the absolute value of xk is equal to the absolute value of xk minus 1 plus 3 for all integers k is greater than or equal to 1, find the minimum possible value of the absolute value of x1 plus x2 plus all the way to x to 2006. Okay, so first of all, we know that absolute value is quite hard to deal with, but we do notice that the absolute, if we square both sides, then this just removes the absolute value. So xk squared is equal to xk minus 1 plus 3 squared, and we can just square both sides and get rid of the absolute value because we don't like absolute values. And so now going down, we get that so now let's plug in values. So for example, x1 squared is equal to, what is this? This is equal to x0 squared plus 6x0 plus 9. And so x2 squared is equal to x1 squared plus 6x1 plus 9. And so if we do this all the way down, we get x to 2007 squared is equal to x 2006 squared plus 6x 2006 plus 9. And so if we add all of these up, we notice that all of these cross cancel, and all we are left with since x0 is equal to 0, we get that x to 2007 squared is equal to 6 times x1 plus x2 plus all the way to x 2006, as obviously x0 is negligible. And then we add 2007 times 9. And so what is 2007 times 9? It is 18063. And so we know that x to 2007 squared minus 18603 over 6 is going to be our answer, and we just want to take the absolute value of this. And so what is 18063? What is the square root of 18063? And so I'm just going to use a calculator, but on the real test, this is not too hard to figure out. We can just test values. Obviously, 100 will not work, but 200 is too much. And so after testing, we get that 18063 is between 134 is greater than 134 and is less than 135. And so we know that all the x's have to be a multiple of 3, as the only operation is plus 3, so they all have to be multiples of 3. And so basically what we get from this is that we have to have 135 as the closest value. And so if x in 2007 is equal to 135, let me add a page real quick. We're running out of space. And so what we get from here is that 135 squared minus 18063 over 6. And so this is a problem 15, so unfortunately there's a lot of calculations. I'm sorry for that, but 135, I'll just calculate it on screen. So 5267 540 135, and so what this gives us is 188,225. So 225 minus 63 is 162, and so the answer here is 162 over 6, which gives us 81 over 3, which gives us 27. And so the absolute value should equal 27. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and peace.